Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. Today, I'm very excited to unbox this. This one is the brand new latest Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max that I pre-ordered, and which is released today, November 13, 2020. So I got this. I'm going to get ready to unbox it. This one's the iPhone 12 Pro Max 5G with the 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. It has a ceramic glass, and then the weight on this is 7.97 ounce. And I got the highest capacity, 512 gigabyte. And then the body on this, it is stainless steel. This one I got it already from apples.com. So it is unlocked version. So that means you could use it with any carrier, GSM, or any other CDMA that's out there. And it also has a cinema-grade Dolby Vision video recording, editing, and playback, night mode portrait, and next-level AR experience with the LiDAR scanner, powerful A14 bionic chip. So it says supposed to take like an incredible picture in a low light condition due to the Pro camera system on this iPhone with the 5 times optical zoom range. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys what I got. So this is my wife's iPhone 11 Pro Max. As you can see, she dropped it on the corner before we put this case on. So it got damaged, even though she has a glass screen protector on there. So she had a thin ultra carbon fiber, and I guess that was a mistake. So let's go ahead and open this up. So there's your part number right there, MGC T3LL/A. By the way, all the iPhone 12 mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, they don't come with the earbuds and then AC to USB or the AC to USB Type-C adapter anymore. So you gotta buy separately. So this one is the navy graphite blue color. Wow, look at that. So thin. So I guess it used to be thicker or double the size. So they try to reduce their carbon footprint to use less paper. There's your Apple logo right here. Another iPhone right here. Another Apple logo right here. So it comes with the lightning charging port, US Type-C to lightning charging adapter. So if you are upgrading from your iPhone 11 or iPhone 10R or 10S, the charging brick will be totally different. So you gotta purchase separately. So. And then right there, it's a 512 gigabyte version. So let's go ahead and unwrap this. Maybe I should just slide out. Yeah, I like to keep everything new. So in case I need to resell it later on. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Wow, look at that. So this one is a pretty nice blue color compared to the iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12. Because those colors like lighter blue and this one is darker. Wow, look at that. And it's pretty thin. So this stainless steel is almost like a mirror finish. You can see yourself in there. Got the lightning charging port, your microphone, and then your speaker grill. And then the backing is frosted glass. I'm not sure if I want to take this on now yet. Unfortunately, I haven't got the screen protector yet. And this one is a 6.5. I have the 6.5. I gotta see if it's gonna fit or not. So, let's see what else we got. This is just a USB Type-C to lightning charging port adapter. And designed by Apple in California. See what's in here. You got the SIM eject tool right there. And this time around, you only got one Apple logo sticker. They used to come with two, so. And then this. And then that's it. So if you don't have a charging brick or the adapter, you have to go out there and purchase another one. Let's see. Give you guys a side-by-side comparison without the case. Wow, some of the camera is bigger, yeah. And just a little bit taller by a couple inch, very tiny inch. So, and then the width, almost the same thing. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.